You've got a thriving service business. You're booked solid. Your team is humming. And you're thinking, man, this could be even better. You've heard whispers about APIs, integrations, and automation. You're curious if Housecall Pro, your trusty business management tool, can play ball in this tech-savvy world. So, the burning question is, does Housecall Pro have an open API? Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is an API? Imagine it as a waiter in a fancy restaurant. You don't need to know how the kitchen operates, you just tell the waiter what you want, and voila, your meal arrives. An API is like that waiter for software. It's the intermediary that lets two different apps talk to each other. So, an open API means Housecall Pro is essentially saying, hey other software, come on in, let's work together. Why does this matter? Picture this, your scheduling app could automatically update your Housecall Pro calendar. Or your accounting software could pull in job data for seamless invoicing. The possibilities are endless. It's like having a personal assistant for your business. So, does Housecall Pro offer this magical key to automation? Well, kind of. There's a twist. Housecall Pro actually does have an API, but it's not entirely open. It's available to users on their Max plan, which is their highest tier. So, while it's a step in the right direction, it's not as open as we'd like. Now, this isn't necessarily bad news. It means Housecall Pro is investing in integration capabilities, which is a good sign for the future. Plus, if you're on the Max plan, you're already ahead of the curve. But for those of us on lower tiers, it's a bit of a bummer. So what can you do? Well, first, evaluate your current needs. Are you really itching for deep integrations right now? If not, you might be able to hold off. Second, keep an eye on Housecall Pro. They might expand API access in the future. And third, consider alternatives. There are other service management software options out there that might offer more open APIs. But let's talk about the bigger picture. The fact that Housecall Pro is even considering APIs shows that the industry is moving in the right direction. More and more software is opening up, allowing for greater customization and efficiency. So, while we might not have a full-blown open API from Housecall Pro just yet, the future looks promising. To wrap it up, Housecall Pro does have an API, but it's limited to their Max plan. This is a step in the right direction, but there's room for improvement. As always, weigh your options, consider your needs, and stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.